In this clip I'm going to talk to you about scrapers and how they're used on bowls. You notice that the curve on this scraper here is radiused, and it's ideally suited for matching the curve on the inside. And if I wanted to use a scraper on the interior of the bowl, I might use it to clean up the end grain in this curve right here. This scraper, if you notice the radius curve here, I might use this scraper at the very bottom here in this area just to clean up the bottom, because sometimes you can get either a little nub or a divot. And last, a scraper like this I might use on the outside of a bowl, and I would hold it at about a 45-degree angle, and I would use it as a shear scraper. And I would want to use a shear scraping cut to avoid getting any tear out. And this right here is a good example of tear out.